Are you tired of your app failing to compile just because of a missing semicolon? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you want to focus on building your project. Today, we're going to tackle how to set the default error level for ESLint rules to warning instead of error. I completely understand your pain. Having your app stop working over minor issues can really slow down your development process. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same issue when they start using ESLint. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how can I set the default error level for all ESLint rules to warning globally? They mentioned that they know how to set each rule manually, but prefer a global solution. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to achieve this. So what's the deal with ESLint's default settings? By default, ESLint treats all rules as errors, which can be quite strict. This means even minor issues can prevent your app from compiling. But don't worry, there is a way to change this behavior globally. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will make your ESLint configuration even more efficient. You won't want to miss it. To set the default error level to warning in ESLint, the user should first locate their ESLint configuration file, which is typically named .eslintrc.js. Next, the user needs to modify the rules section of the configuration file. They can add a property called rules if it doesn't already exist. Now, to set the default error level to warning, the user should add a rule that applies to all rules. This can be done by using the overrides property. Finally, the user should save the changes to the configuration file and run ESLint to see the new warning levels in action. Fun fact, did you know that ESLint was created in 2013? It has since become one of the most popular tools for maintaining code quality in JavaScript projects. It's amazing how far we've come in just a decade. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the ESLint plugin called ESLint plugin-only warn. This plugin allows you to set all ESLint rules to warn globally. Alternatively, you can achieve the same effect by patching the verify function in your ESLint configuration. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution is to use the ESLint plugin-switch error warn. This plugin allows you to switch errors to warnings and vice versa. You can set specific rules to trigger errors again, giving you more control over your linting process. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly review your ESLint configuration. Keeping it updated can save you from future headaches and ensure your code remains clean and efficient. And there you have it. You should now have your ESLint set to warn instead of error, allowing your app to compile smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more coding tricks.